Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon and tap on the settings on this drop-down menu, which is the second last one. And over here guys, on this interface, tap on the account, which is just above the privacy, and tap on the two-step verification over here. And with that being done, simply tap on the turn on. You'll be required to create a 6-digit pin over here and confirm your pin again over here and tap on save. If you want to link your account from over here, you can link your account by going to the verify email address, but I'll be just skipping it. And with that being done guys, your two-step verification on WhatsApp will be turned on. And guys, this is how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.